Hey guys, here are 15 life tips that will completely change the way you look at ordinary things. Advice on the matters of daily life is nearly always useful. People accumulate so much experience in doing the simplest to the most complicated things, and when they pass it on, it can help so much to make your life easier. Here are 15 of the most useful tips for life which we've come across. They're guaranteed to make sure that tedious everyday problems don't spoil your fantastic mood. 1. Making meat even tastier. Some of the tastiest dishes out there can be made with mince. But if you marinate it while it's in the fridge even just a little bit, it will taste a whole lot better. 2. Getting rid of a sore throat. If you drink hot milk with cardamom, then any inflammation and soreness in your throat will disappear a whole lot quicker. 3. Starting a fire easily. If you need to light a campfire fast, just remember that you can use potato chips. They burn better than any specially produced lighter fluid, and work even when firewood is damp. 4. Calming yourself down quickly. If you need to calm yourself down very quickly, press down on the patch of skin between your nose and your lips, using your thumb, for 3 seconds. This can help even if you think you're having a nervous breakdown. 5. Boiling potatoes quicker. Potatoes will boil quicker if you add a little butter to the saucepan. 6. Checking how fresh an egg is. This one's easy. If you drop an egg into some cold water so that it's completely submerged, a fresh egg will sink to the bottom. The ones that have gone off will float to the surface. 7. Substituting bananas for eggs in baking. You can replace eggs with bananas when making the dough for cookies or a pie. Half a banana is roughly equal to 1 egg. 8. Removing a glue stain from glass. Removing a glue stain from glass can be done using ordinary household vegetable oil. Just smear some oil on the affected area, leave for 10 minutes, then wipe with a paper towel. 9. Boiling beans and pulses faster. Did you forget to soak the beans or peas? Boil them in unsalted water, adding a tablespoon of cold water every 7 to 10 minutes. That way they'll be ready with no trouble at all. 10. Getting rid of an ink or paint stain on clothing. Acetone will help with this problem. It needs to be wiped on the affected area, then rub it with spirit of hartshorn. 11. Drying footwear quickly. The trick here is to use salt. Heat it up in a frying pan, sprinkle it inside a sock, and then place the sock inside the wet shoe. If the moisture doesn't disappear in a certain amount of time, just put in a new sock. Your shoes will be dry in no time at all. 12. Boiling milk faster. Milk is guaranteed to boil faster if you add a pinch of sugar. 13. A simple way to grate cheese. Before you start trying to grate some hard cheese, smear some vegetable oil on the grater. The cheese won't get stuck together, and the grater itself becomes easier to wash. 14. Getting rid of unpleasant odors in the kitchen. It's easy to get rid of bad smells in the kitchen. Pour 1 tablespoon of ordinary vinegar into a frying pan and heat until it evaporates. 15. Reusing a dried out lemon. A lemon which is starting to dry out can be restored to its previous degree of freshness with ease. Just leave it in a bowl of water for a couple of hours. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new and to grow our family.